Welcome to a video by Abron. So this is digital spectrophotometer LCD display with the OD percentage of transmission and OD is optical density. Here we have the optical density and transmission as a standard mode. It will go into, if you start the instrument, it has a power supply, put it on the back side. Here we have the Couvet where we can put the 10 mm Couvets, and here we can put the 50 mm Couvet. It's a dual size instrument. Generally we use the blank here. We have the transmission section here clear, and this is opaque, so we put the water, and the path is going like this, so we put this way, and then we put this in the blank, we put it here, press it, it will all make it standard, and then when it will show 0% and transmission is 100%. After that we have to test the chemical. We are just putting in here, we are using the similar kind of another Couvet. Here we have clear view pathway. So here also we are putting in this. It is showing 0.795 is the optical density. It's a very high concentrated solution, and 0.17% is light passing. At this 680 nm, you can change in the starting. You want anything, you can put it. All these are available with us. These Couvets. This comes standard with the 10 mm Couvets. You have the optional 50 mm with us. Our email is abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 9992222049. Another is 94160200018. And website is abronexports.com. This is economical model. We have got the digital LCD 1 nm, 5 nm, single beam, double beam, sophisticated for medical and other uses. These are all for college and little economical model spectrophotometer. Visit the website, like the video, share the videos. Thank you very much.